Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basant, and in the series of expression building, today we are going to learn how we can define bottom node expression using the derived properties in the EDMCS application. So let's start. So first we will move on to our application, and in my particular case I already defined my two applications. One is source and one is target, and my source application is custom application 09 and my target application is financial consolidation and close, that is FCC's application. And under this I have made viewpoint, a master viewpoint. I will show you. So this is my master viewpoint. Under this I have custom account, that is the source application we have, and the target is FCC's accounts. And one more thing is that I have already defined the node type converter in this. As you can see, we go to inspect data chain and node types, and here's the node type, and under I already defined the node type converter, you can see here. Okay, so to build a bottom node expression, first we have to go to the properties. So here's the properties, and I'm going to define the derived property for the data storage. So in the target application we have to select the data storage property, like whatever property you want to derive. So this is a target application. Under this is account dimension, node type account, and under this I'm going to select the derive property. Okay, so under default parameter you can see we have default type and we have to select as derive. And in the default value you can see we have a fx icon. In this icon we have to define the expression. So to give the expression I have to select if condition first. Okay, let me just remove all of them. Okay, so in the statements you can see we have various statements. So I will start with if. So if the node properties that is core bottom node. Okay, core stats bottom node, and I want to return the value as never share. Okay, else it will give us the value as dynamic calc. Okay, so in my current use case I want, suppose in my source data storage property, let's say it is label only, or whatever the property is in my source application. And suppose in my target I want that in the target data storage property I want it should give us the result as never share. Okay, if never share is not present, it will give us the value as let's say else give us the value as dynamic calc. So this is my use case. In this particular case we are going to use this particular source and target and the conditions here. Okay, so let's apply this and see our practical output, what we get in this. So I will click on apply, click on save. Okay, and close it. So as I told you, I already defined the node type converter in this. So let's quickly go to our master view and transfer some metadata from the source to the target application using the master view. So let's first click side by side view layout, and at the left hand side you can see we have source application, and the right hand side we have the target application. So let me first drill it down. We have the chart of accounts in this custom application. We have total assets and total liabilities and equity as well. So let's make one metadata or add an account under cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so I will make a new request. and let's add a child to the cash and cash equivalents. Let's name it as cash 05, and account type, let's give it as asset, because it is a asset account. Okay, and data source property I will give as label only. Okay, and what we want that label only will get converted into the never share, else the dynamic calc. Okay, so let me just open cash and cash equivalent hierarchy in the FCC application as well. Here it is. Okay, so I want that this cash 05 will go in this cash and cash equivalents. I will just drag and drop this account into this, and it will give us the data source property as never share. So let's find out. I will select this account, take it and drop it here. Yes, it is here now. And let's you can see here we got the data source properties as never share, because we have given the bottom node expression as whatever comes in the data storage, uh, either it can be xyz or whatever the data source property in the source will go when we just take the account and drag and drop to the target. It will give us the result as never share, else the dynamic calc. So this was the case of how we can define the bottom node expression using the derived property expression. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, please visit our website that is bispsolutions.com. Thank you.